Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make eggs in the microwave. Alright, let's get to it. Pretty easy. So what you guys want to do first, things you're going to need: eggs, some to stir your eggs or mash it up, milk, and if you want you can have cheese, make it a little bit cheesy. Don't need it. Alright, in a microwave obviously. Alright, so what I got measuring cup, and I usually just use it because it's easy to use. What you want, we're going to do 3 eggs. So what I'm going to use some resources here, and I'm just going to put it there, and slide it over, and I'm going to break some eggs out so I can show it. Alright, so got uno huevos, uno huevo, yeah, uno huevo. Looks like you guys are getting a little bit of Spanish in. That's what we need. Alright, just kidding. 2. And then our third one. Right there. Alright. I'll throw these away real quick. Alright. So now, it's weird that you can see the milk. Anyways, now, show you what I even really need. Alright. So now what you guys want to do, now you got the eggs in there, just mash all those eggs up like this. Just smash it. And I'd honestly just mash it for like a minute, minute and a half. Just make sure, you know, all that yolk is all smashed up. And so, you just do it like this, do it like so. Pretty easy. Nothing too extreme. It's also easy if you tip it, which I can't really do because I'm using my cellular device, so I can't really do that right now. You see how it's still too yolky, so you know what? I'm gonna use resources there. Sorry for the waste of time, guys. I'm just trying to find an easier way. Okay. So I'm gonna just tilt it like this. Corner. So then we can get all the elements. Alright, that should be good. Now, after you've done that, go ahead, put a little bit of milk in it. So I'm just going to put a little bit, that much right there. Put it back on and stir it a little bit after it's already beat up. Just all the milk's in there, getting around like so. I usually just do this for like 15 minutes, or not 15 minutes, 15 seconds or 20, sorry about that. So about like right now or something. Now, you can be done. You can put it in the microwave, but I'm going to put some cheese in because I think cheese is really good. You can put in multiple things. Jesus, fucking milk now. Alright. Just a little small handful, like not too big, just a little bit. Just kind of sprinkle around there. If you like it cheesy, go for the big cheese. That's what I'm doing. Now, again, just stir it. And do this for another like 10. You don't even have to do it for like 10 seconds. You can just stir it a little bit and then put it in. Alright, that'll be good. Alright, now what I'm going to do is grab this cup, put it in the microwave. Alright. I'm just gonna put it right there. Now I usually put it in for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is probably a good time. So 2 minutes. Now, some microwaves are like this. When you are microwaving, sometimes it's a little bit still yolky at the bottom, or it's just not, cooking all of it. Make sure you kind of stir it a little bit. Yeah, I know there might be some egg chunks in there a little bit already, but make sure you're stirring a little bit because you can get actually pretty sick off that. You don't want that. So here soon in a bit you're going to be seeing this egg rising, and then boom, it's pretty much made that quick. This I only do this if I'm pretty hungry and I don't really want to wait and make it on the stove, but I'm really hungry. So you can see it kind of rising a little bit. See, with a big cup like this, you could probably fit 4, maybe 5, but that's a lot of yolk in there, so I just kind of stick with 3. You can see how it's rising. I mean, if you guys probably, most of you will skip forward and not listen to 2 minutes of this, but it's whatever suits you guys. I mean, like I said, it's really simple, honestly. And then, I mean, once it's done, and you can enjoy and eat it. See, 4 would be topping that. Alright, see, and then it just kind of slowly falls down. Okay. Look at the bottom. Bottom doesn't look too bad. Alright. So now, you got that. Shit. The one thing I guess I did need was a plate to eat it on. How could you forget that? Okay. Now, set you against here, like this, and right here I'm gonna put all this egg. I'm gonna stir it a little bit, make sure it's not gooey. The bottom doesn't look gooey. Go ahead and just flip it on there, and see, like this, just kind of mash it. I mean, obviously you're not gonna want a huge chunk. And I mean, I'm not gonna do it in front of you guys because I'm just showing you how to make it. But that's pretty much it, guys. 3 is usually a serving. I mean, I don't know. Some people can't eat as much, but that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you make eggs. Peace.